How to promote a post on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can promote your posts on Instagram. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up Instagram, and as you can see I'm over here, and you have to make sure that you are running a business account, that you're not running a personal account, either a professional account or a business account or a creator account. One of the three will suffice, as that will give you the ability to run ads on your profile, and you can select specific posts that you want to promote. So if you don't know how to, convert your account to professional account or, creator account, click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and then scroll down. Well, for me, I already have it. So for me, it's over here in business tools and controls. If you haven't, it'll be right here down below. It'll have an option called account type. You can click on it and it'll automatically give you the option to either convert to a business account or a professional account. Since I already have one, I can't go ahead and turn it back. For some reason, I think it is connected to Meta Business Suite or something. But you can see right here, this is the option that you will see. If you click on it, these are the two options for me, personal or creator. I already have it switched over to business, so I don't have to. But you can select either business or creator account and you are good to go. And you will have these options right here. You can see ad payments, business tools. Underneath business tools, you can see I got ad placement, branded contact, branded content. I also have these frequently asked questions. You can see right here a bunch of different options that you will get. So make sure you convert it. Once you've converted it, you will also have a bunch of different options. Now, if you want to promote a specific post on Instagram, you're going to have to do it. Once you've done it, you will have the option of ads over here. It should be over here, but if not, let me go back and I'll show you. So here you can see we have this option right here called professional dashboard. Right here, it will tell us all of our tools. Here you will see we have this tool called ad tool, and this tool will be the one that we are going to use to manage or boost our profile. And you can select any option you want. Here you will have all of your options, but yeah, you can use this option within the dashboard to go ahead and promote that specific post. So here, just go ahead and select your post. So it's telling me this is the recent post. This is the one that's gaining traction. We also need to go ahead and connect it to a Facebook page, but I think I already have it, but it's telling me to go ahead and create one. So we'll go ahead and create a Facebook page. I think I already had one, but we'll see. So what I'll do now is I'll switch over to my computer and I will go ahead and continue from there, since I believe it's telling me to go ahead and log into the Meta Business Suite. So I'm going to go ahead and log in there. All right, so I think we'll just continue on my phone as well. Yeah, we're going to continue from the phone. All right, so for some reason it kept loading on my phone. It wasn't working. So now I'm back on my computer and now we're going to continue from here. So here you can see I'm already logged in into the Meta Business Suite. If you didn't know, you can come over here. I should have logged out. I should have shown you how I did it, but you can just simply come over here onto the Meta Business Suite or business.facebook.com, and you can log in with your Facebook account or your Instagram account. I selected my Instagram account. Now I'm logged in with my Instagram account, and now we are here. So now all we need to do is we need to come over here onto the ad section over here on the left hand side, and here we need to create our first ad. All right, so we'll just simply click on get started, or we can go to the ads manager over here. This is Facebook ads manager. Here we can run the ad as well, but you can continue from here as well. Click on get started and you can select or create a post. I think I already had one, but you haven't created any content or existing content can't be boosted. So we need to go ahead and create a new content. So we'll click on create a reel and I'll try to go ahead and select one as well. I'll just upload a random reel from the internet. So we should be good to go. Give me 1 second and we'll continue. All right, so I'm gonna post. All right, I found a video that I'm gonna post. Okay, I'll upload the other one because this is not it. Yeah, I think this one was it. Yeah, so we'll get rid of this one and we'll post this one. Well, a pretty nice video, not gonna lie. So once it's done, all right, this is it. Then we'll just simply click on next. We can also describe your reel, and I don't want to do anything, but we can pick any thumbnail we want. So I'll pick this one. Simple video of me riding a horse. And then click on next, and we can add an audio over here. I think whatever audio is on it is okay. Then we'll click on next. We can add a poll or whatever, but I think this is okay. I don't want to add a poll, but you can add a poll, and then you can click on share and you should be good to go. So it should come over here. So we'll wait for a couple of seconds and then we'll see, because I think it's still loading up in the back. All right, so here you can see it's now posted and we are good to go. Now I think we can go ahead and click on the ad section and create our ad. You can see right here, and we'll click on get started. And here we still have no option. This is weird. Okay, so here's what I think is happening. Sometimes it's weird, sometimes it just does not work for some reason. So I think I'm gonna try again. Hopefully this time it'll work. So all right, so now we can go ahead and choose it. Great. So it did take a second, so I accidentally posted 2 reels, but it's fine. We should be good to go now. We're gonna select this one right here. We're gonna click on boost, since this is the one that we want, and now we can go ahead and process it. So all right, this page isn't available right now. Okay, so sometimes it's weird, sometimes it does not work, so I don't understand why. But here's what we can do. There's another thing that we can do. Remember the ad manager that I was telling you about? We can actually use Facebook's ad manager to promote our reels. So for example, we'll go back into home. It's taking a bit longer. I thought it would be much more simpler, but it is what it is. We'll click on ads, and here we'll click on the ad manager, and we can use Facebook's or Meta's ad manager to create it. So all right, I'm going to turn off the ad blocker that I have, and we should be good to go. Maybe that's why it wasn't working. But no, I remember I tried once before. It still did not weird. All right, so you know what? Manage extensions. I'm going to turn this off. Yeah, now we should be good to go now. All right, here we go. So here we can create the campaign and we can run our ads. We already had one over here, so I'll just turn that off. I don't want that. And I'm going to create a new campaign, and I logged in with my Facebook account because for some reason it was not working. Maybe now it might work. Let me actually go ahead and check it out. So if I go back into content, right, go into feed and grids, or we'll just get rid of the... Anyway, let's go into engagement, since that's the one that we want, videos and views and stuff like that. We'll click on continue. We can go with the recommended settings, and once we're over here, we can rename this campaign whatever we want, and I think this is okay. And then over here, we don't want any of this since it does not apply to any of us, and we'll click on next. And it usually is a pretty simple, term, but I guess it's not. So we just simply connect our account with this page that we have over here. We'll click on next. There we go. It is now going to connect to this account, and we'll be able to read the messages with this account. So we're going to log in and connect it. Hopefully it'll connect, because sometimes Meta is, I don't know why, it just doesn't work sometimes. It's a mess, but here we go. It is connected. We should be good to go now. We'll click on done, and we'll select the messenger. We'll turn off messenger since that's not the one we want. Select Instagram and maximum numbers and conversion. We don't need any of this. Everything looks good. We can set our own budget later on, but verifying changes, I don't know. We'll click on next, and now here we can select our sponsored video. So wait for it to load up. We could create an ad over here or use the existing post, and when we click on select, we can select the existing posts over here, all post type, and we'll click on Instagram and select the post if we want to. We'll select that post, click on continue, and once it's loaded up over here, and we'll click on continue. Loading up. There we go. It's loaded up, and now here we can see the feed over here, and this is how it would look like on stories, on ads, on reels, on the Explorer homepage. Everything looks good. So then we can just simply hit the publish button, and now our ad will be running and we are good to go, right? And there you have it. Usually you could do all of this onto your phone, but since it was not working, there was an error with Instagram. That's why we had to come over here into the Facebook Ads Manager and create the ads. And there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can boost your Instagram post on Instagram. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.